We have the Drop Bear 2 Utility ASO design 5CR 15 MOV. That is a steel on a utility blade. Bead blasted G10 handle in a clutch lock with the Christmas touch, right? Let's go ahead and find out what this one's all about. I'll have these linked down below so you guys can check out prices, availability, and variants. And without further ado, oh man, guys, take a look. We got the, of course, utility blades here, which again come in this box. I think we checked this on a different video, but let's just double check again. I think you get about 5, right? If my eye serves me well, there's about 5 right there. Spare utility blades, so that's always good out of the box. And here is the knife, already looking really good. We'll take a look at that in a second. Sir, excuse me. Thank you. All right, here we go. So just standard for all these, by the way. We're going to have some paperwork, wiping cloth, a sticker there, additional hardware, which again, Kizer always does a really good job with that. We'd love to see it. And some backup pliers, and some backup tweezers and a toothpick. So these are going to have those added to the handle. So that's a nice touch there. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's see, right? Let's check out what the Drop Bear Christmas theme is all about. And man, right away, loving the combination here with the red and gold. Well, there's green, of course, right? Duh, Miguel, missed the whole green right there. So it's interesting how they pull this off, right? G10 outer layer is red with cutouts, and then the deeper portion of the G10 is green, so it makes it pop there. We got stars, the Christmas tree there in the middle, right? All that good stuff. Same thing on the other side. Loving the gold because that just sets it off really good. Liners are exposed, sandwich construction with 3 standoffs. Also nice gold matching. Thumb studs are gold. The hardware is all gold. The clutch lock, aka crossbar lock, is all gold. And of course you have the ability to adjust. You can see the different holes right here. The ability to adjust the omega springs on the crossbar lock to your desire, right? If you want it a little bit tighter, a little bit looser, right? However it is you enjoy your crossbar lock experience. Of course, it's going to be very, very good on the action here. Very nice and smooth. Very nice and smooth, right? Fidget friendly, thumb stud deployment, reverse flick all day. I might let you guys in a little secret here. The Drop Bear Utility, right? This OG one here with the see-through acrylic has been one of my all-time favorites. And you can tell this one has seen plenty of use. And this is still the first OG blade. It looks like they were putting WorkPro branded utility blades on here. That blade's still holding on for dear life. Still has a decent edge that I can cut with, even though I've done tons of unboxing and even breaking cardboard on trash day. So again, one of my all-time favorites here is the Omega spring. A little easier view, right, since the acrylic is see-through. But yeah, they're spicing things up on this one and giving it the Christmas vibe. So love to see it. We got the koala with a nice little Christmas hat on this side. It says Merry Xmas, and then we have the tree on the other side. Nice little combo there, as you would expect. Of course, the ergos are going to be amazing here. Forward choke, plenty of jimping everywhere, and you have the additional tools back here. We have a bigger tab or a wider tab, if I can get at it without losing my nail. What is happening? That one's a little bit tight there for some reason. Hold on a second. It might seem like I'm exaggerating here, but I'm certainly not going to bust the nail here. Call me whatever you want in the comments, but that one is a little bit too tight to do with the nail. Not sure why. I mean, it's just a simple, easy experience on the OG one. And these were same size tabs. We have a little bit of a different size tabs. I mean, this is, you'll think will be a little bit easier to pull at. But okay, that one's a little bit harder. Let's try the other one on the opposite end. There we go. See, this one's much easier to pull at. We got the tweezers on the other side. Again, these are nice to have and not need, right? The need and not have. So it's always good that you get that as an extra, and you even get some extra ones on the box as well. So, all right, let's go ahead and just put them side by side. In case you're wondering, what does a regular Drop Bear look like next to the utility counterpart? So you'll see some slight similarities on the handle. I think they make the handle a little bit shorter on the utility blade. Right. By the way, this one did not get the treatment here for the toothpick and the tweezers. So that's an interesting decision there. But you're going to get a longer blade, slightly longer reach, longer cutting path with the actual blade as compared to the utility, and also a slightly longer handle as well. Right, here's the Nice Guy on top. And here is the utility Sheepdog. Take a look at those guys. Let me know in the comments which of these is your favorite. But again, it's not limited to just these. There's at least, I want to say 5 or 10, if not more, other Christmas variants with many other very popular Kizer models available as well. These typically all come really sharp out of the box, so we're going to bypass our scientific cutting test for this video. The video is already long enough, so I'm sure you guys would appreciate that. But again, many variants are available, guys. I'll have all the links down below so you guys can check them out if you want to get in the Christmas spirit, right? These are also collectible. So next year for Christmas, right, they're not going to make the same knives. Every year they're making different knives. So these are not going to be around next year or the year after that. These are on a year by year basis, and every year they're doing something different. So if you want to do a little bit of a special collection going on, I mean, this definitely is going to be something to consider. These are all very affordable. They're all on the sort of Kizer budget category. So it'll be a nice little Christmas stuffer or a gift for the knife lover in your family. They'll absolutely love something like this. So they'll remember and keep for the rest of their lives. I mean, these are really long-lasting knives. Let me know your thoughts on these. What do you guys like about them? What do you love about them? Is there anything you dislike about them? Let me know. All feedback is welcome down in the comment section down below. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.